This video is about narrowing the thesis. Almost always after writing a thesis, the writer will find that it needs improvement, especially it needs narrowing. Here's what to check as you're thinking about narrowing your thesis. Think about whether it is interesting and creative or whether it's sort of obvious. We don't want obvious. We want interesting. We wanted to argue one clear idea. Someone should be doing something in the thesis. And you want to have a topic that's appropriately sized for the kind of short papers that we're writing in Comp 1 and Comp 2. If it's too large, maybe just one of your subpoints should be the thesis, and then you can break that down with subpoints. And most importantly, you want to propose something. You want to have an idea that something should happen, not just a complaint about what is happening. Here's an example. The heroin problem must be stopped because it leads to death by overdose, criminal activity, and wasted lives. Is that obvious? Does that have a clear claim? Is it broad? Is it too big for a short 4 or 5 page paper? And does it give ideas rather than just complaints? Actually, it makes all of those mistakes. Here's one that's possibly better. Heroin enforcement can be aided by police engagement of the peripheral crimes which occur in drug-ridden communities. Robust enforcement of property crimes, prosecution and finding of loiterers and litterers, and investigation of abandoned property. That's way better. It's very specific as to who should do exactly what and how that would relate to the heroin. Here's another example. Property taxes in McHenry County must be lowered so that families can afford food, college, and health insurance. Again, that's pretty obvious, and it's very broad. Who is going to do this? How are they going to do it? There's no ideas there as to what should be done. So it makes all of the mistakes that we're looking for. Here's one that's better. The county needs to expand education spending so that families can afford college tuition, which leads to more employable residents, advanced industries that employ educated residents, and an improved tax base in the long run. Again, this is who should do exactly what, and this is why. That is a much more specific thesis that possibly could be argued in a short paper. Now go out there and narrow your thesis.